GBPCHF, right? If I were to move through the 1 hour, I simply am looking for price action to retrace towards this demand area down here and to push the price towards the swing high, the 4-hour swing high, which we marked last week. So this swing high here, I'll be looking for this swing and then target to push higher towards it, right? So that's it for this currency pair. There isn't much happening. It's a simple push to the upside since we did predict price to retest the swing high. Then by Euro USD, even though price is still consolidating, I'm still waiting for either push. So by Euro USD, I'm still waiting for a push towards this supply area up here, right? But if price can retest towards this demand and continue pushing higher, that would be ideal. So the idea is either for price to retest this demand, so we look for buys, or we retest this supply area by the extreme to look for sales towards the swing low, and that will align with the 1 hour and 4 hours since both are bearish. So we'd be looking for sales towards these time frames by the 1 hour and 4 hour to push price here. But if price can retest down here, we can still believe price can move higher towards this supply area to retest. So by the next currency pair, by gold is exactly the same thing. They look identical. So by gold, I'm looking for price to retest this demand area down here or to retest the supply area. So right by the 15-minute, we got a few confirmations, right? So if we were to look by the 15-minute, we have we were uptrending, right? We were uptrending, forming newer highs towards that supply area by the 1 hour, right? But then we broke structure. So by 15, we broke below this extreme demand, right? So we broke and then immediately pushed lower. And when doing that, we had this order flow here. So this large area with this green candle. So this area here, we retested that order flow and then pushed lower, right? So with price doing that, I thought to mark out the range I'm focusing on. By the 15, I'm focusing on this range, right? From up here, clone to down here. So if I were to change it, so this and this here, right? So the zone I'm focusing on is this one. Right now, what I believe could happen is by this area, I believe price could still go up, retesting into this area and then push lower, right? So this is my idea. My idea is if price breaks above here, we leave gold. Like we don't focus on any price action. We'd wait for gold to reach the extreme 1 hour demand area. So this one up here, right? This one up here. But if I do get a confirmation, here, I could look to take price towards this swing low by the lower time frames because 15-minute is currently bearish. I believe 15 is currently bearish because we have shifted structure and we can aim for this demand area. We can aim for this demand area by the 1 hour right here. And if we can catch this sell, we'd be aligning with every other time frame, which are all bearish. But if price does break above the swing high, we just leave the trade. Or if we look by the swing high, we have the extreme supply area up here, right? So if I were to mark it out, we have this extreme supply area. So if we get a different confirmation where price pushes higher, right? So if I were to just delete this, if price pushes higher, so we get price pushing higher, and then we tap into this demand, but immediately push back within this range, we can actually catch a tiny sell trade towards this swing low, right? So we'll be looking for price to retest this swing low. If price can push lower, our extreme target would be this extreme demand by the 1 hour. So we'll be targeting this demand within this range. And that's the idea for gold.